There's my shower door. Kind of got a faint layout there, if you can tell. And I used a paint lid to do my corners, to mark them out, so I can always reproduce it. Now it's time to go outside and cut it out. Have to figure out what kind of latch I need to put on this thing. Right, so this is basically the mock up the bench. I had some stuff in here to kind of sit on it and make sure. I'm going to be 15 inches here. It's going to be 19 inches to the top of the cushion. It makes for a nice, 90-degree when I'm sitting in there with my legs. And my wife, it'll be pretty comfortable. I had this cushion left over from the other camper I built, the box camper. So it just happens to fit perfect. So we're going to have a little tiny, kind of a couch here with an arm on this side with cup holders. We're going to put probably some pillows you can just throw back there. And probably some storage space on the side with cup holders and stuff for your phone. And of course we're going to have storage underneath here, so I'm going to make it like that and make that back part so it probably lifts up. So I guess I'll get to framing this and take it from there. Getting there, a long way to go though. Okay, try a little experiment making a duct system. Push the air conditioning forward so that this area gets more cooling. A headroom where I can walk back here and have a duct system. I've got these side vents right here that cool the back, which does fine. There's actually one in the back also, so there's plenty of ductwork back here in the back. I just need something to push the cooler air forward, and it's coming right out there, right there now. So I'm gonna try that and see if it cools a little bit better, and then I'm going to probably make a piece of wood that goes across here, kind of integrated in there. Alright, well, got this done this week. Somewhat done. course, you saw the bathroom last week. Still a work in progress. Finished up some of the roof. Still a work in progress. Got this done. And I got the kind of the backsplash window opening. And yep, making some headway. Just wanted to show you guys a video and let you see what kind of progress I'm making. I really like the layout though. I think I don't think I could have laid it out any better as far as what we're doing. It's going to be comfortable, and I think it's going to be pretty useful. All right, catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.